Oh, look, there's a duck right there. Let me call it. Let's see if I can do it. You ready? Oh, look at it. Ready? I must be doing it right. Can you see them? They're like turning around. Hopefully it's not illegal to call ducks. They're so pretty. Look at that. I'm calling the ducks. Or confusing on one. Look at that little duck. She's so pretty. Oh, these guys are coming. Look. You guys hear him talking to me? Look at that. That's so pretty. They're all like, something's wrong with that duck. We need to go check it out. Make sure it's okay. Oh, pretty. Oh, I bet they're mating. Look, it's a couple. A couple of ducks. Ha! Did you guys get that? Oh, don't go away. Aww. You guys, I'm gonna be calling ducks. You watch. Call me no yuppie. What y'all think? We don't even have no alligators here either. So what I'm seeing right here, and I think those other ducks just flew off. Look at that. There's a pair there, there's a pair over there, this is a pair, and that's a pair. Aww, love is in the air. Oh, there's a lonely duck over there. He's lonely. That is so cool. no time at all. This duck calling's hard work. Here's the rules. This is city of Lacey Park rules. I don't see nowhere that I can't call ducks, so I'm lucky. I feel lucky. Nice job on the park. This is really nice. Alright, you guys. Saw here on Just Doing